Good morning, everybody, from Hollywood Studios. Today's episode is brought to you by Monster Energy because Josh is going to drink a six-pack today.
But it's actually not brought
It's
to
really,
us.
it's really not at all. It's not at all.
Would that be really cool? Or Red Bull?
We are here at Disney's Hollywood Studios because today is the first annual pass holder preview for Starwars Galaxys Edge.
You should have sounded a little more enthusiastic about that because this is pretty exciting stuff.
I'm just extremely tired. I am extremely excited for this. It is going to be a lot of fun. I already said it. I'm super excited. There's so much cool stuff in here.
We're just excited.
We are in. It is 7:50 a.m. The preview technically doesn't start till 9. So we'll see.
I would guess that they are probably going to hold us up here in Grand Avenue.
Yeah, there's just like a ton of people out there, so I think they just need to get everybody in. We have scanned our magic bands. We are all checked in for the annual pass holder preview. We got some maps of the new land, which is like completely separate from the regular park map for today. I don't know if it will always be like this, but it looks like it might be, because this is a really cool map of the land. It's different font and everything. I am so excited.
This is absolutely amazing. It is so crazy. This is absolutely amazing. I can't believe it. I mean, just look at this thing.
We have the chills back here. Like, this is amazing.
Look at this thing. I mean, it does. Everything in here so far has been absolutely jaw-dropping. I cannot believe it. I mean, look at this thing. Look at that. This looks freaking awesome. Oh my gosh. If you guys have not had this chance yet, it is literally mind-blowing. I love it. The only thing I'm disappointed is that it's going to be so busy. It's like we won't be able to come back for a while because I don't think I can handle the crowds. And I don't want to have to rope drop this again. And we were just talking about this. Like, look at these rails. These rails look like they have been used. Like, it doesn't look brand new. This looks like an actual, like, working place. This is, I mean, it's awesome. All of the detail. Look at that. Wow. Is that not awesome or what?
Look out there. Boring conversation anyway. Aha! Another group of flight candidates. Welcome, my friends. Welcome. What a fine-looking group of flight professionals. You remind me of me, but without the bounty on your heads. Recognize a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it back. Good you made it back. Good for you.
Pablo, one of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here.
I'm a pilot.
Oh my gosh.
I almost just like don't even want to walk through here. This is awesome.
It's so real. I literally cannot right now. I literally cannot. Gunner.
No, they would do short.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I'm a gunner.
Ah, a brand new flight crew.
Oh.
Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now, as you go forth, my friends, I want to remind you to be careful. Safety first. Well, profit first, but safety is a close second. I want to make sure you and the cargo get back with no mishaps. Oh dear, that sounded like a mishap. R5, what is going on? A power fluctuation in the main hangar generator? That's impossible. I have to tell you, this is not typical for Onoka Transport Solutions. We are professionals, held to the highest authority. This sort of thing never happens around here. Really? It happens twice a day? Just follow the crew member, my friends, and I assure you.
Alright, flight crew, come with me. I'm gonna have my pilots in the front, please. My gunners in the middle. And my engineers in the back.
Look at this.
Get that. That's awesome.
Left pilot, get the boosters.
Oh, it tells you what to do.
Let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
This is crazy.
Yes, keep shooting. They're not on to us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire
That was awesome.
That was unreal. What an amazing ride. I really, really enjoyed that. It was,
That was good.
It was so different. You actually do control the ship. I mean, I know people said that before, but like, I thought that it was gonna be like less control, but you have a lot of control over those, like, over like the controls. It's amazing. It was so crazy. It was so fun. And it wasn't, I thought it was going to be shorter than what it was. It was actually a decently...
it was a lot longer than
like,
I thought.
I felt like it was a good length of ride.
Yeah.
Oh, it was awesome. I almost feel tempted to see what the wait time is and wait to do it again.
I actually want to look at the wait time.
But
because I would do it again.
Here we come. We're coming back out. Check this out. I think Taylor's getting one of these things.
We are at the milk stand because,
good.
I mean, you can't come to Black Spire Outpost and not get milk. So we got the green and the blue milk. I tried the blue milk already. It's interesting.
I mean, it's good. It's a good flavor, but it's like a slushy and a milkshake that's mixed together.
Ew, don't say that. That makes me want to get sick.
Yeah. That's it. Pineapple.
I don't know what I taste. This one is more floral than the blue one. The blue one, I definitely taste like coconut. A little bit
pineapple?
of coconut, maybe some pineapple.
Because the blue one definitely, when he said pineapple Dole Whip, that's definitely what I got.
Yeah. Yeah.
This.
That guy's got a Got Milk shirt on. I like your Got
nice.
Milk shirt.
I actually like the yellow better. I like the green milk better.
All right, we're gonna get a picture before they get too melty and before we drink too much.
I'm trying to think what the flavor is in there, but I like the flavor better. So we're still just kind of walking around and trying to explore a lot of Spire Outpost basically, and I think one of the coolest things that we've been talking about is how a lot of the shops here are not a big giant shop. It's a small tiny shop that has very specific items inside, and so it's not like this kind of thing that Disney has been doing where everything is just all in one place and it's all the same merch. This place is very specific to what is here, and that really helps to create a whole nother like effect. It helps to bring you further and deeper into the story.
So we are riding Smugglers Run again, but we went through the single rider line, and actually it was good that we did that instead of doing the standby, because standby was 70 minutes. Single rider, it's been about 30 minutes since we got in line, and we're to the end of the wait time. So we're gonna get our little cards and then go into the little waiting area. So we're excited to ride again.
Look at that!
Josh and I are riding together. What the heck?
So we are back inside of the Millennium Falcon, which is crazy.
Awesome. I can't believe Josh and I just got put together to ride together on single rider. Because normally, if you don't know single rider, you do get split up from your party. But they needed 2 people, so they just put us together. What is happening?
Hit it!
That was awesome. You got it?
Engineer, a repair test. Hit your flashing button.
You got a button back there. Oh,
Better be
stay
faster
over.
over here. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly up. Weapons are on.
All right, let's go.
Flight engineers.
This is crazy!
A distraction.
This is crazy!
We might need to go back to the canteen
Pilot us in.
Chewbacca's got us now.
You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance.
I'm so glad we got the 9 a.m. annual pass holder preview because of this line right here. We were some of the first people on the ride today, and I'm so glad, or else we'd be standing back here because we did not get the fast pass for the ride. So this is crazy, but this is awesome. This ride is so awesome. I loved it.
Yeah, the ride was fantastic. What's really great about this second time was that we got to do something different. We weren't pilots again, and well, Taylor wasn't a pilot the first time anyways.
I was a gunner.
She was a gunner, but we both were engineers this time, and even as an engineer, which you don't really do that much, you just press the buttons on the wall, it was still very fun, interactive, and I think the best part is that if you're not with us, we were in with a great party of people who were very into the ride, really wanted to be a part of it and make it work, and I think that's what really made it that much better. So fantastic. I don't know, I almost want to say that I enjoy it more than riding Flight of Passage, but I don't know yet. I don't know. I think I have to let it settle in and think about it. But I love it. This was awesome. Oh man, I don't want to leave.
I don't either.
I don't
because
wanna leave.
I I know we're coming back on September 1st, but I know the crowd is going to be so insane compared to this today.
Yes, yeah, it is starting to fill up in here. I think because all the rest of the annual pass holders are coming in.
Yeah, I was really glad we had the 9 a.m. one to come in as soon as it opened. So.
It was kind of nice. Wasn't a lot of people, but this is still like definitely the most immersive place that I've ever been in.
I feel like I'm in a whole separate place. I don't like. I'm thinking about it now that we have to walk out through Hollywood Studios to leave, and like I forgot I was in Hollywood Studios.
And there are no open sight lines, so when you're here, you are in here. There's no, you can't see the Tower of Terror.
Nope, you can't see Slinky Dog Dash.
Nothing. It is completely immersive. It's awesome. I cannot wait to come back and do it again.
This ride is, it's great.
I'm telling you,
it really is.
It's teetering on the edge. Flight of Passage, Smugglers Run. Flight of Passage, I don't know. It's tough. It's tough.
It is tough.
Let us know what, if you guys haven't been yet, or if you're planning on coming soon, what are you most looking forward to? The milk. We didn't even talk about the milk, did we?
Yeah. We briefly mentioned the milk.
We talked about it a little bit. I love the green milk. The green milk for me was better than the blue milk.
He drank the whole thing. I drank almost all the blue milk.
Yeah.
But then I kind of was sipping it so slow that it was getting warm, so I didn't want to drink warm milk.
But let us know what is something that you guys are really excited for. I can't wait to come back. We're definitely not going to be here on opening day.
No.
Not going to do that
We're
madness.
skipping that.
You can see us. You can find us at Food and Wine Festival. But
yes.
We will be back for Extra Magic Hours on the 1st of September.
Yeah.
And I'm so excited. I can't wait.
Yeah. Let us know what you're looking forward to.